Where are we going, Dylan?
We're going to film a video.
What kind of video are we going to film?
Go film the music video for Green Haze, written by White Noize.
Ladies and gentlemen, White Noize's Vivo debut song, Green Haze. There's the boy White Noize, whipping the Beamer. Can't believe I just said that. White Noize, what's your secret, man?
Should we keep going down or should we try right here? Gotta get all up in the camera's lens, you know? That's how you do it.
How you doing, Rachel?
I'm great. I don't like being filmed, by the way.
Okay, I'll keep that in mind, because you can sue me if you're in a video that you don't want to be in. So. I'm sorry, could you say that again into the microphone? Alright, here we are, y'all. Beautiful lake. This is Lake Siskiyou, right?
Yeah.
There's so many lakes up here, I get them all mixed up. Yeah. You ready for your music video debut, Noah? I'm sorry, White Noize?
Why you gotta throw around my name like that?
Can you?
No, it's bad. Check this shit out.
That was interesting.
Dylan's got a drone.
What the fuck? My screen has been plugged in for like 3 days and it's dead.
That's not good.
That's not. Well, it looks like we're blind firing. Thank you, Noah.
I hate lizards.
Why?
Don't get it near me.
I don't like them, they squirm.
There's a baby one on the side too.
Oh, there is. Come here, bud. I could have caught it so many times, I just don't want to. Just get me out here, like, even with me, and then shoot it up, and Mount Shasta's right there. What do I do?
Just do like some like hand shit, you know? Oh, now I got Mount Shasta in the background. This is dope. You wanna like squat? You wanna do some squat dancing?
It's like...
There we go. I got some like closer up ones there. Do that again, like do the vape thing with the arms again.
Oh, don't make that sound though.
Bye, Felicia.
That thing's pretty sick, right? Trying to get like that Kendrick Lamar video, though. Not sure what to do. It's like,
Dude, there's a fat ass woofer over there, dude. I want him to think that I'm like recording the women in their swimsuits. I just want a video of their chubby dog.
Yeah.
I'm tempted to go over there and ask him, honestly. Speaking of chubby dogs, check out White Noize over there.
White Noize.
Look at how fat this boy is.
How what?
Look at how fat you are. Lose some weight, fatty.
Very true.
So, White Noize. The reporters, they want to know.
Hi, Mom.
They
EP
want to know.
2017.
Is Luke a pussy?
Luke's a Pussy, EP 2017, title,
Would you
Noize
like
from the
your
Closet. Deluxe edition, Luke is a Pussy. This way.
Let's go. You dick. Stop it! I will hit you so hard in the nuts. Ow. Get away. Okay, wait. I'm so scared with this stick in your face.
White noise, white noise. Does Chief run?
Chief, don't run.
Alright. We have about 50 more minutes of flight time. What are we going to do with it?
Oh yeah, this is the guy who was loitering outside our house, and we I had to call the cops on him because he wouldn't leave, and we're out in the woods with the guy who probably wants us dead. So, but you know, that's just one of the occupational hazards of what we do out here.
Oh yeah.
White noise, white noise. Hey, white noise.
Going up the road to Castle Lake, depending on how much you trust me, I could drive in front. You could sit in the bed and get rolling shots of Noah.
If you want to let us lead, I can get in the back of his truck and get some chase shots of you.
If you want to do that, that'd be cool.
All right, cool. End of May here. There's still snow on the ground.
Oh yeah.
Where we're heading, the lake is presumably still frozen over. Last time we were here a few weeks ago, there was about 8 feet of snow on the ground. So we'll see what it looks like up there.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Can't
really
forget
nice
the
view.
last time that we were here when I was flying a $1,500 drone and it decided to turn off 800 feet in the air.
Yeah, that was fun.
That sucked. It's okay, we got a new one. Round 2.
Yep, still snow.
Yep.
What's today? It's 19th? May 19th.
Yeah.
Snow fucking everywhere here at Castle Lake. We have arrived on scene.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow, that looks beautiful.
Yeah, we were swimming in that.
Got Rachel in her snow clothes here.
Oh yeah.
Slobs.
Vape.
I know, for real.
Such a tool.
Oh, hold up, I gotta get this.
That actually felt really good.
I'm sure it did.
Do some white noise shit. Should you like stand up and do something?
Yeah. Like what?
Anything. Look hype. Going for a little swim?
I wonder how cold it is.
Probably very.
Should I?
You should.
Are you sure you want to keep your shorts on? Because you're going to be even more cold.
Stop trying to get him naked, dude.
I'm just saying, like, if you want to be smart about it.
Ooh. A little cold. Yeah, no, that's hella cold. I'm good.
Pussy.
So what do you think, White Noise?
It's good. Ah, fuck it, no socks. Coop?
You know what? This is getting me Taco Bell, so I'm
Go to snow.
Huh?
I wanna go to snow bank. I gotta make a withdrawal.
Bye, Castle Lake.
And rowdy.
You're like poetry, the crazy whirlwinds blows us from the corner.
To the first floor, hoes waiting on a nigga, I'm glued up. For I know that I be waiting on you for. I got a bad girl like Gary Cat. Nighttime, I'm playing like a sunny day. Oh yeah. Fuck that kid.
Bro, look around, bro. Look at life.
Man, you're right.
Man, you see these fine bitches over here?
Yeah,
You see these trees, man? You see this water?
I guess it is okay.
Come on, man. You got so much more to appreciate, man.
Man, you know what? You're right.
You're damn right I'm right. I can't remember a time I was goddamn wrong.
Man, thanks, little boat.
Hey, man. That's what I'm here for.
I ain't been getting high. Well, maybe a little, baby, I don't wanna lie. I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not an angel either, you can't even fly. I know this, you think that you know shit. All this shade that's coming at me, I wonder who throws it. They can't see the vision, boy, they must be out of focus. That's a real hot album, homie, I wonder who wrote it. Oh shit, oh take, pray them niggas go away. Oh, we sell the clowns around, it look like Circus Soleil. This is not the album either, these are just the throwaways. This shit's still so cold when it drop, it's gonna be a motherfucking snow day. Hey, boy, it's good and he knows it. He don't say it, he shows it. I'm just like DeRozan. If I shoot it, it goes in. I'm in Cali just coasting. Get him so wet, they need coasters. I got a selfie with Oprah. I just ain't ever posted. And I'm in my happy place posted. I ain't frowned since 06. I ain't cried since 01. My bad, like Six Flags, and your house is no fun. You can come back to mine, though. Your friend in Cupid is fine, though. We gon' end on a high note. I spy with my little eye. A girly I can get, cause she don't get too many likes. A curly-headed cutie I could turn into my wife. Wait, that means forever, ever. Hold up, never mind. Oh, I spy with my little eye.